How to cut ginger. The F&N Sharp utility knife or paring knife are going to be the best tools for this job, whichever one you're most comfortable working with, and also how big of a knob of ginger you have. You can take a paring knife and start slicing down the edges, removing that super thin skin, or you can even take the back of a spoon and simply push towards the flesh and it will come off in a snap. Think of ginger skin like potato skin. You eat those. Ginger skin is absolutely edible, so to keep it on or off is up to you. I'm going to take some slices here of ginger, stack them on top of each other, and then push one knuckle forward, and that is going to be my brace for my knife. I'm going to run that along, making nice julienne strips of ginger. You can keep them this way, depending on what recipe you might be making, or you can grab that bunch and take those matchsticks and hold them together. Actually give them a little bit of a pinch, right? And then take your paring knife and then you're simply going to cut down, finely mincing that ginger. A little ginger does go a long way. Very sharp, pungent flavor, but fresh ginger is compared to a powdered ginger, there's just no comparison. Visit fnsharp.com for all your premium kitchen cutlery needs.